Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are covering on Iskim Sami, Iskim Sami eteflop. We can see here Umelita is having a breakfast with her hubby, with her lovely hubby that she loves with her whole heart. Sibona ke ngoku nangu umyeni wakhe uTata Khomo. They are discussing about modeling job kaMelita because uKhomo wanted her to quit la msebenzi wakhe wokuya Joburg okuyemodelisha kuKhwezi. So now he's like, you know what, Mkami, King, I've thought about this. So you can continue with your job. I'm okay with it. You are more than welcome to continue with the job if you still want to continue with it. And uMelita Nkosi yami, umuntu othanda umyeni wakhe uze uyamqabula amuthi mba, ampa that wife that loves, I love my husband. Umelita Karinje in her heart is like those women, oh my man, this my partner, this my partner. That's why athi angeke shem myeni wami ndimthanda kangakanani. So now they are discussing about Ufefo because Umelita went, when she was at her job there, she met Ufefo. Yeah, there is a long deep history. Ufefo, Ukhomo, Mr. Khomo and Umelita. So he was a bit concerned ukubana I don't trust that Fefo guy. So Umelita assured her happy ukubana don't worry ngalo muntu lo. Deep down in her heart she's like, I've dealt with him already. He tried his trick with me and I told him ukubana I am a married woman, ibile ke rata monaka ka pelo ya ka kaofela. So yeah, now they're still enjoying their breakfast after having such heartwarming discussion of Ukhomo allowing her wife to continue doing what she loves, no matter who is on their way to disturb them. Oh, atiponono sapepi wakhe baze bayadlalisana lapho badlisana ama-croissants. Oh, akusemandi apha, akusemandi kulo mtshato bethunana, akusemandi. Hayi, we can see ukubana how no, love lives here. Love lives in this household. Nkosi yami, uMelita uze uvuka ke wenzela umyeni wakhe a whole English breakfast with croissants and freshly squeezed juice. Guys, kunandi kule khaya lelo. I love me some Melita and Khomo marriage. Okay, let's continue guys, let's continue. While still abanye kumandi apha, they are even feeding each other. They are even teasing each other. Umfazi othanda umyeni wakhe feeding a hubby the most delicious breakfast croissant. Yes, while still others are feeding their hubby some breakfast. We can see here someone, oh, there is some sneaky love. Yeah, uze nje untombo ashowarisa umyeni wakhe ukubana I love you obet wami. And then umapitsi, we can see here mapitsi. Oh guys, ushukubana that first love, does it grow away okanye we start actually seeing ukubana as an adult I don't want to continue with my high school sweetheart. Is Mapitsi grown out of love kutibos? Huh? Because she's definitely enjoying her new relationship. Like, she is in love, oh girl. Not with her husband, not with the father of her kids. Definitely not with Utibos. Oh, Ntombo. Ubanjwa nini? Yo, guys. The day that Tibos will find out ubana Mapitsi, Makepitsi, my wife, ubana she's been, up and down in Thomas. Hayi, ndamvela ke uTibos the day that azobona ngawakhe amehlo ukubana uThomas lo kuyobe kunguye kena okholilwe ngokubona uTibos ukuthi hayi uThomas has been chowing. That's why emsebenzini kumnandi uMapitsi, like she's looking full best going to work, face beat on, frontal on, uready ukuyobona usweetheart wakhe, secret sweetheart. Like she is not having Utibos coming to the station. She is not having Utibos coming to the radio station with the kids. Hayibo. She's looking at umyeni wakhe kubana yini hlalana endlini guyzini. Like hlalana endlini nkosi yami, hlalana endlini. Kakameme nomyeni wakhe ukubana aza kubona le office nale sleeper couch iyase officeini, angazi khona ukubana hayi uMapitsi no Thomas hayi baya-enjoy i-office shem. Umandi phaya officeini, simandi le sleeper couch sase-officeini, si-comfortable ibile. Oh, apha uyaxoka baby, I'm sorry you guys couldn't come and see my office. Njani kalokho? Njani wethu? Oh, guyzini. Mara Mujolo, it's a full-time job, nkosi yami. Being married and start dating on the side. Oh, this, I wouldn't survive it for a day. Having to have two lives, nkosi yami. A mother, a wife, a good worker at work, and a good girlfriend. Hi, Mapitsi. You work very hard. Uyasebenza Ntombo, uyasebenza. Usebenza ngokuyikhandla nkosi yami. Usebenza ngokuyikhandla. Hayi usebenza ngokuyikhandla sisi. Hayi siyakubongela nyani. Cause I wouldn't be able. Here she misses Ilo. Tibos ended up going with the kids for an ice cream date because uma wabo suke wabambeka nkosi yami ngoThomas. So uma wabo abantwana sebembonela kuma-billboards. But guys, what do you think, nkosi yami? I know ukubana such things they do happen ukubana you see that cute guy or that cute girl at work and you deeply fall in love with them. Do you start to have self-control ukubana nope, I'm a married woman or I'm a married man, I'm going to stick to my vows and not get tempted. okanye vele you'll be looking for that. We can see here she's going to work as per usual. Mapitsi is off to work. She is off to work, and she's not just going to have a good day, she's going to have a great day, because she's going to see her favorite person at the moment, uThomas. We can see here as Mapitsi is walking out, Ausibetha is coming in, and yay, labo auntie. Ausibetha already inetwork kudala ayibambile ukuthi hayi umama walendlini akasasengulo mama wendlini engathi ngifika lana. They know everything phela abo auntie they know everything, and they keep secrets for both sides. If babona ukubana uma wasekhaya kunento ezithe 1 2 3, they will keep the secret. If they still find out ukubana ubaba wasekhaya kunento ethe 1 2 3, they will still keep that secret. You can see here she's like investigating. Are you okay, mkhwenyana wam? Asking uTibos. And yes, uTibos now, something is definitely eating him up. Like nkare nje useka le metsi yakhe ayihlanganisayo le ka 1 + 1. Hayi ngathi u11 uzovela masinya, guys, because something is definitely eating him up. Is he going to find out ukubana what has his beloved high school sweetheart, Nkosi yami, high school sweetheart? These people, they've been in a relationship since Skeem Saam started, guys. They've been through thick and thin together. We can see here uMapitsi was pleading with uFenze ukubana they must meet so that she can try and explain what Fenze saw at the office. Uza kuthini uFenze? Is he willing to keep Mapitsi's secret? Is he going to? What do you guys think? Is he really going to keep Mapitsi's secret? Because he is not happy. He is not happy ukubana uMapitsi is cheating on uTibos. We can see here Felix naye just got home. He looks very tired, very depressed, and deeply hurt because he was at Smaki's grave the whole weekend. Nkosi yami. Aye, that is heartbreaking. That is heartbreaking. I don't think we can ever get used to death. Death have got this weird thing of no matter how many times we've heard about it, okanye it has happened around us, we can never get around it. Like we can never get used to it. It's too deep, man. I feel like you need to go through it for you to understand. You need to go through it for you to actually feel that pain that those who had lost their loved ones go through, especially if it was someone that you were close to. So we can see here they're even asking uFelix ukubana kutheni ungachongo so that we can go with you. And he's telling them ukubana sometimes you need to do such things of like going to the graves of your loved one on your own so that you can have that one-on-one deep talks, deep connection with your loved one that are no longer with you. We can see here Felix ukubana he is devastated. Like he looks defeated, man. He looks defeated, ukubana I don't want anything else. I don't even want this life. You can see umntu that is like defeated, ukubana, guys. at this point nje, I'm ready to give up my own life because I cannot take it anymore. And yo guys, in stress can give you a stroke, a heart attack, heart, like you can feel your heart stopping, chest pains. Like stress can bring you all of that. We can see here Felix struggling because he's having a mini heart attack, chest pains. He's definitely not okay because he is so stressed and so depressed. And it is true, ukubana, you mustn't overly stress yourself because you can have a heart attack. That is what Felix is experiencing right now. He is having a heart attack after he came back from some kid's grave because he is deeply hurt. You can see Felix fighting for his life, trying to drag himself to go and get a glass of water. Oh, guys, then we can see he's struggling, but he's managing. He managed to get some water so that he can soothe the pain that he's feeling. Guys, then we can see Felix also, he ended up going at the hospital. He ended up going to the hospital and he collapsed there. Did he make it? Did he die? Is he going to come through? Is he going to come through from this heart failure that he is currently experiencing? Because he's definitely dealing with some deep heartaches. Let me know, guys, in the comment section, Ubana, how did you deal with your loved ones? I know it's a very sensitive topic, but you might help someone who is going through the most difficult time of losing their loved ones. They might get some help from your comment when you tell people, Ubana, this is how you dealt with your story, with you losing your loved ones, and that's how you slowly managed the pain and the loss of losing your loved ones. It's a very sensitive matter, but hey, we are human at the end of the day. We can't run from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.